Another day, another story. Introduction host, welcome back to our dream being. Today, we're diving into an essential aspect of personal finance, setting financial goals. Whether you're aiming to pay off debt, save for a dream vacation, or build long-term wealth, having clear financial goals is key to your success. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps of setting effective financial goals and provide you with practical examples. Let's get started. Step 1. Understand the importance of financial goals. Host, before we jump into the process, let's understand why financial goals are so important. Financial goals give you direction and purpose, helping you stay motivated and focused on your journey to financial success. They provide a roadmap for your financial decisions and enable you to prioritize your spending and saving habits. Step 2. Define your financial goals. Host, the first step in setting financial goals is to define what you want to achieve. Start by identifying your short-term, mid-term, and long-term goals. Short-term goals are those you want to achieve within the next year or so, like paying off credit card debt. Mid-term goals typically span 1 to 5 years, such as saving for a down payment on a house. Long-term goals are those you want to achieve over 5 years or more, such as retirement savings. Example 1, let's say your short-term goal is to pay off your credit card debt of $5,000 within the next year. Your midterm goal might be to save $20,000 for a down payment on a house in the next 3 years. And your long-term goal could be to retire comfortably by the age of 60. Step 3. Make your goals smart. Host, now that you have a general idea of your financial goals, it's time to make them smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Smart goals provide clarity and help you track your progress effectively. Specific, clearly define what you want to achieve. Be specific about the amount of money involved, the time frame, and any other relevant details. Measurable, set goals that you can measure and track. This will help you stay motivated and monitor your progress along the way. Achievable, ensure your goals are realistic and attainable. Set yourself up for success by considering your current financial situation and available resources. Relevant, align your goals with your values and priorities. Make sure they contribute to your overall financial well-being and happiness. Time-bound, set a specific time frame for each goal. This will give you a sense of urgency and help you stay on track. Example 2, let's make our example goal of paying off $5,000 credit card debt smart. We'll make it specific by setting the target as paying off $5,000 credit card debt within 12 months. It's measurable because we can track the progress each month. It's achievable based on your income and expenses. It's relevant as it aligns with your goal of becoming debt-free. And it's time-bound as it has a clear deadline of 12 months. Step 4. Write down your goals and create action steps. Host, now that your goals are smart, it's time to write them down and create action steps. Writing down your goals makes them tangible and reinforces your commitment to achieving them. Break each goal into smaller actionable steps that will guide your progress. Example 3. Write down your SMART goals in a notebook or on a digital document. For our example goal of paying off $5,000 credit card debt within 12 months, the action steps could include: A. Creating a budget to track your income and expenses. B. Finding areas to cut back on spending to free up money for debt repayment. C. Setting up automatic payments or reminders to ensure timely payments. And D. Monitoring your progress each month and adjusting your plan if needed. Step 5. Stay motivated and track your progress. Host, lastly, staying motivated and tracking your progress are crucial in achieving your financial goals. Celebrate small victories along the way and use tools like progress charts or milestone trackers to visually see your advancement. Example 4. In our example, you can celebrate each time you pay off a portion of your credit card debt, like every $1,000. Track your progress by keeping a chart or spreadsheet to see how much you've paid off each month. Seeing those numbers go down will motivate you to keep going. Conclusion. Host, congratulations. You've learned the step-by-step process of setting financial goals. Remember, setting effective financial goals is the foundation for your financial success. So take the time to define your goals, make them smart, and create a plan of action. Stay committed, track your progress, and celebrate your achievements along the way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Remember to use engaging visuals, graphics, and examples throughout the video to enhance viewer understanding. Feel free to personalize the script further to match your channel's style and voice.